The first artist to use that venue merchandise features was Ed Sheeran. I grew up in Seattle in the 90s, so you had to have a band. Right around this time is when Napster showed up and the iPod showed up and the entire revenue stream of the music industry changed. So they depended on tickets and merchandise, and there just weren't great systems in place. It was all Excel and cash. At Venue is a platform that is designed for live event commerce. It is a very robust backend of inventory management, financial settlements, location management, paired with a purpose-built front-end point of sale. We specialize in transient and temporary commerce. You get this wave of activity. You cannot slow down that line because I have a very finite window to maximize revenue. I got like 4 hours because after that, the artist is gone. The tour doesn't postpone for a credit card processor. When we were encouraged by our customers to get into the payment processing world, it was kind of like, that's not what we do. How are we gonna do this, We knew we needed something like Connect. It's a perfect solution for payment processing. We started working with Stripe prior to Terminal being a thing. So we had to build our own gateway and deal with all the PCI compliance and all of that stuff. And then when we found out that Stripe was going to launch Terminal and have an EMV reader with everything that we need, it's like, that's fantastic. With Treasury, we collect all the funds. We have a settlement process. We know which entity is owed how much, and then build a dashboard so the company in possession of those funds can say, approve, pay out, balance goes to them, all good. That has been an incredibly exciting launch that we did this year with Live Nation.
I have been in the concert merchandise industry for many, many years. At Venue has been a big game changer in the whole process. I think the opportunities are endless with the way technology is moving. Within the last 2 years, we have just broken every single merch record possible.
We feel very good about our resiliency through whatever economic downturn there may be. We do an average of about 10,000 concerts a month. We have over 300 festivals, 300 venues. We have all of Live Nation on board. We have partnership deals with every major record label, every major merchandise company. We want all the transactions from live events to flow through at Venue. It's a really neat realization that while the idea was coming from like kind of a punk rock place, that it still works not just for music, but in any sort of live event scenario. It's been a long road, and to know that we've successfully deployed technology in an industry that doesn't like change is just huge. And I'm excited for everything to come.